Hi there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Sophie, and today we're diving into some exciting and practical Shopify business ideas perfect for beginners or anyone looking to pivot their business model. Don't forget to check the link in the description to start your free Shopify trial and join the community of thriving entrepreneurs. Now, let's dive into what we'll be covering in today's video. We'll explore 5 practical business ideas that you can start with Shopify. Next, for each business idea, I'll guide you through setting up your Shopify store, choosing themes and recommended apps to make your store run smooth. Finally, I'll showcase some successful Shopify stores for inspiration and wrap up with key takeaways and actionable steps. Let's get started. Our first business idea is print on demand. This model allows you to create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding any inventory. The best part, you only pay for the products after you've sold them, making it a low-risk investment. So you can also test new designs with minimal financial risk. To start, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and market demand. This helps in focused marketing and better product alignment. Create your designs using tools like Canva or Photoshop, or hire a designer from platforms like Fiverr or 99 Designs. Next, pick a Shopify plan. The basic plan usually covers most beginner needs. When setting up your store, choose a theme that best showcases your products. Here are 3 excellent options for print-on-demand stores. Highlight theme. This theme is ideal for visually appealing layouts, emphasizing product images with clean, minimalist designs. Retina theme. Known for its vibrant and high-resolution imagery, perfect for showcasing detailed product designs. Symmetry theme offers a balanced and versatile design, making it easy to organize products and collections. These themes not only enhance the visual appeal of your print-on-demand store, but also improve user navigation and overall shopping experience. Plus, integrating the right apps is crucial to streamline your store's operations further and enhance efficiency. For print-on-demand businesses, AutoDS automates product importing and order fulfillment, simplifying inventory management and keeping your store competitive. Printify is a popular choice for print-on-demand businesses, offering a vast catalog of products and seamless integration with Shopify. It handles printing, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on design and marketing. Zendrop is an excellent choice for print-on-demand and drop shipping, as it streamlines product sourcing and offers fast shipping, helping you manage inventory efficiently and enhancing customer satisfaction. These apps not only automate crucial aspects of your business, but also help maintain consistency and quality essential for building a reliable brand. For inspiration, you can check out successful stores like gayprideapparel.com and dojacourt.com. Gay Pride Apparel features a vibrant and inclusive aesthetic that aligns with its mission to support LGBTQ+ communities. The website uses bold, colorful imagery and a clean layout, making it easy to navigate. Founded by Matthew Injavi, the store celebrates LGBTQ+ culture through apparel and accessories, growing by offering products that resonate with their audience and collaborating with artists and influencers. Dojacourt's website has a playful and modern design, reflecting the internet meme culture that inspires its products. The store is easy to navigate with clear categories and high-quality product images. Dojacourt capitalized on the popularity of the Doge meme, creating apparel and accessories that appeal to meme enthusiasts and internet culture fans. Their success is driven by a strong social media presence and a community of loyal followers who appreciate the humor and style of their product. Next, let's explore the world of digital products. These include ebooks, music, videos, online courses, software, digital art, and more. The beauty of digital products lies in their low overhead costs, high scalability, and automated fulfillment, making them an excellent option for entrepreneurs. To get started, follow the basic steps similar to setting up a print-on-demand store. However, instead of uploading designs, you'll upload your digital product. For digital product stores, choosing the right theme is crucial to showcase your offerings effectively. Here are 3 excellent options for digital products. Digital theme. This theme offers unique selling tools like custom sections for digital products, built-in case studies, and sleek animations that grab attention. It's perfect for visual storytelling and engaging customers right from the landing page. Motion theme. Known for its dynamic and modern design, this theme is great for showcasing products with high-quality visuals and smooth transitions, enhancing the shopping experience. Label theme is ideal for creators. This theme provides a minimalist design that emphasizes content, making it easy for customers to navigate and find what they need. For managing and delivering digital products efficiently, consider using the Shopify apps. SkyPilot, digital downloads. This app simplifies the delivery of digital files, providing secure links and automatic access for customers, ensuring a smooth transaction process. Calendar. Perfect for managing online courses or appointments. This app integrates seamlessly, allowing you to schedule and organize your digital offering. Digital downloads. Another essential app that facilitates instant access to purchase digital products, making it easy for your customers to get their content immediately. Additionally, securing your digital content is crucial to prevent unauthorized sharing or copying. Consider using Disable Mouse, right-click to prevent unauthorized copying of your content by disabling right-click function. Cozy Anti-Theft to protect images and other media from being copied or downloaded without permission. Free watermarks to add watermarks to images, providing an extra layer of protection against unauthorized use. Let's take a look at 2 successful digital stores. Birdie Shop Finds features a clean, minimalist design with easy navigation. It offers digital products like printable art and sewing patterns, organized into clear categories. Consistent branding and high-quality images create a visually appealing shopping experience, catering to a niche audience seeking creative, downloadable items. Retro Supply company showcases a vintage-inspired design, specializing in retro-themed digital tools for Photoshop and Procreate. The store is well organized and easy to navigate, offering digital assets like brushes, textures, and detailed product descriptions and tutorials add value, helping digital artists and designers enhance their project. Both stores excel in showcasing digital products with appealing designs and thoughtful user experiences, offering great inspiration for your own digital product store setup. Transitioning from digital products this dual platform approach offers unique advantages. Wider reach. By listing your products on both Etsy and Shopify, you can reach a broader audience. Customer experience. Brand visibility. Establishing a presence on both platforms enhances your brand's visibility and credibility. Diversified revenue streams. Selling on multiple platforms allows for diversified revenue streams, which can stabilize income and reduce dependency on a single sales channel. To make your store more appealing and user-friendly, picking the right theme is key. Handmade theme. This theme has a cozy, rustic look, perfect for showcasing handcrafted items with features like product image zoom and a simple cart system. Craft theme. Known for its sleek and modern design, it's ideal for a minimalist look featuring customizable sections for various products. Blum theme. This vibrant theme is great for highlighting colorful and creative products with options for video integration and image galleries. Using these themes can help you effectively present your DI products, creating an engaging shopping experience. Now, let's discuss the best tools and apps for managing and marketing your DIY stores. Moving on to the integration apps. They are essential to effectively manage and sync your Etsy and Shopify stores. Etsy integration, CD, Commerce. This app syncs inventory and orders between Etsy and Shopify, prevents overselling, and supports bulk product uploads, making it easier to manage your listings. Etsy integration, DPL. This app provides real-time inventory and order sync, bulk product uploads, and manages Etsy orders within Shopify, ensuring seamless operations across both platforms. Quick Sync for Etsy. This app provides automatic syncing for inventory, product details, and orders, minimizing errors and ensuring up-to-date information across both platforms. It's user-friendly and helps manage large inventories efficiently. These apps not only streamline the integration process, but also enhance the overall efficiency of your DIY product business by automating key tasks. Let's take a look at some successful examples of stores using both Etsy and Shopify. Bee Jelly Lacrosse. This Shopify store features a clean and modern design, focusing on lacrosse-themed apparel and accessories. It offers a user-friendly layout with detailed product descriptions and high-quality images. On Etsy, the store maintains a similar aesthetic, emphasizing unique, handcrafted items that cater to lacrosse enthusiasts, helping to attract a loyal customer base. Innocent Chaos. This store specializes in luxury faux flowers presented with an elegant design on Shopify. The store highlights products for weddings, home decor, and gifts using beautiful imagery. Their Etsy store offers similar high-quality floral arrangements with a focus on custom bouquets. This consistent style and professional presentation across both platforms help build trust and appeal to a wide range of customers. Moving on to our next business idea, subscriptions and services. This model offers several key benefits that can help stabilize and grow your business. Recurring revenue. Subscription businesses generate consistent income by charging customers on a regular basis, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually. Customer loyalty. Subscriptions help build long-term relationships with customers as they provide ongoing value in service. Scalability. Subscription models are highly scalable. As your subscriber base grows, you can expand your offerings, introduce new products or services, and increase your revenue streams without significantly increasing costs. Up next, we'll look at some Shopify apps to help you manage and grow your subscription-based business. Seal subscriptions. This app simplifies managing subscriptions by automating billing and offering a customer portal for easy subscription management. It's great for creating flexible subscription plans and enhancing customer retention. Subscriptions by Appsel. This app provides comprehensive tools for managing subscription products, including automated renewals, customer analytics, and customizable subscription models. It's designed to grow with your business, offering scalability and detailed reporting. These apps not only streamline the management of subscriptions, but also help increase customer lifetime value through upselling and personalized service options. To illustrate successful subscription models, let's take a look at two inspiring examples. Berry's website features a sleek, modern design that emphasizes its fitness programs and subscription-based services. With high-quality visuals and intuitive navigation, the site enhances user experience. Key features include a member portal where customers can manage subscriptions, book classes, and access exclusive content, fostering strong customer engagement. Brew Tea Company. Brew Tea Company's website combines a cozy and inviting layout with a clean design, focusing on tea products and subscription options. The store offers detailed descriptions and subscription services, making it easy for customers to explore and purchase regularly. Unique features include gift options and a subscription starter kit, which cater to both new and existing customers. These examples highlight how effective design and subscription services can enhance customer loyalty and streamline business operations. Up next, we'll explore the last business idea in this video, eco-friendly products. This business idea focuses on eco-friendly products, a rapidly growing market as more consumers seek sustainable and ethical options. Here are some popular product examples you could consider. Reusable food bags, perfect for reducing single-use plastic. These bags are great for storage and organization. Sustainable furniture. Made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials, this furniture appeals to eco-conscious consumers. Clean personal care items. Products like natural soaps, shampoos, and lotions that avoid harmful chemicals. Ethical pet products. Pet care items made with natural ingredients or sustainable materials. Eco-friendly fitness gear, equipment, and apparel made from recycled or eco-friendly materials. These products not only meet the rising demand for sustainability, but also position your brand as responsible and forward-thinking. Here are some great Shopify themes to consider for eco-friendly Shopify stores. Beyond Theme. This theme is designed for eco-conscious brands, featuring visual storytelling, high-resolution images, and an overall clean, modern layout that emphasizes your product's sustainability. Atlantic Theme, known for its classic and streamlined design, Atlantic is ideal for showcasing eco-friendly products with features like image zoom and product filtering, enhancing the shopping experience. To give you a better idea of what successful eco-friendly stores look like, let's check out a couple of inspiring examples. Nice Laundry. Nice Laundry's website features a sleek, modern design that emphasizes sustainable apparel. They offer a range of products, including socks and loungewear, with a focus on eco-friendly practices like recycling programs, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Yoloha Yoga. Yoloha Yoga's site combines a clean and inviting layout showcasing eco-friendly yoga mats and accessories made from sustainable materials like cork. The brand highlights its commitment to environmental responsibility, offering detailed product information and promoting a sustainable lifestyle. These stores demonstrate how a clear focus on eco-friendly products and sustainability can attract and retain customers. That wraps up our guide on practical Shopify business ideas for beginners. We covered 5 exciting options: print on demand, digital products, subscription boxes, eco-friendly products, and handmade crafts. Each idea offers unique benefits and potential for growth, whether you're starting from scratch or expanding your business. If you're ready to start your own Shopify store, click the link in the description for a free trial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more great content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.